here's the Harbor Breeze Crosswind 2 ceiling fan. Oh. Yeah. Look how weak. Yeah. I got this fan out of garbage in the future. And, it has it has red blades and orange blades on the other side. More like, yeah. And, oh yeah! Oh yeah! I'm gonna turn this thing on and see what happens. There goes nothing. That's high speed. And look how slow that is. Oh yeah. Oh my god. High speed? Are you freaking kidding me? That is high speed. And look how freaking slow that is. And I'm like, what? Oh yeah! Yeah, I'm gonna turn this thing up to, and look how fast it is. That's slow speed. And for whatever the heck reason, it's going so slow. Oh yeah!